Hello to all my little children. Welcome to another video with DP Kids Education channel. Now today this is Christmas season and we are making things that are relevant to Christmas. So we need a Christmas tree for Christmas, to celebrate Christmas. So today I'm making a Christmas tree with you using the craft skills you have learned so far. So then for even our preschool children can make this. It's quite easy, not complex at all. So I want you to try and make it and see whether you can make it beautifully. Now let's try and make it. Now turn the page or the square piece of paper so that the colored side is at the bottom, and then fold it in half. Now open it up. This lower edge comes to the middle line like this. The same thing happens on the other side. Make sure your lines are all aligned perfectly. Then open it up. Now, can you see this corner? Slowly, and you just have to fold it in a little bit. Then again fold it in like this. It's the same folding lines from earlier. Then fold this part like this. And the same thing on the other side. Now open this up again, and then this centimeter from the top. Now this edge, look at that, and then fold this backwards so that it's a bit lower than that edge or that line. So again fold it in. Now turn it around. See, our Christmas tree is complete. All that you have to do is decorate it. Now if you want it to look nicer, of course you can do something like this, like create steps, right? Or you can even do something like this. You can create different shapes on your Christmas tree. Now it's quite easy, so you have no excuse not to make it. So my little children, we'll meet you soon with videos like this. Goodbye.